Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car anti-theft devices on Amazon. Cars may not be the easiest things for thieves to steal, but it does happen. If you want to deter them from getting away with your car, there are a few options to help lock down your car. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Teflafi steering wheel lock for cars. This anti-theft lock is available in black, blue, and red. It's made of high-quality round steel and aluminum alloy and can be installed on the back of your steering wheel to protect the airbag. It comes with 2 protective pads to alleviate pressure on the steering wheel, as well as a safety escape hammer. The company also provides a lifetime money-back guarantee. It's sturdy, affordable, very easy to put on and take off, and it gets the job done. It comes with 3 keys, so you have a couple of backups if you lose one. The unique key pattern makes it harder to open it or break it if you don't have the actual key. Users also like the included window spike, which can break glass in an emergency or be used for self-defense purposes. However, this anti-theft device doesn't fit all makes and models. Number 2. Monojoy Car Steering Wheel Lock Universal. This steering wheel lock extends from 17.7 to 28.7 inches and works on a variety of makes and models. It's made of hardened steel and is designed to prevent keyless entry theft. It comes with 3 laser keys that cannot be copied, and they slide in and out very smoothly. The bar automatically locks into place and only requires a key to unlock it. One of the best things about this product is that you can install it and remove it quickly, which is convenient if you use it consistently. This sturdy anti-theft device is as easy to remove as it is to put on your steering wheel. It's lightweight yet a solid piece of metal that isn't too heavy or cumbersome to manage. It also comes with a built-in window breaker. However, the finish isn't the best quality, and it may be either too small or too big for certain steering wheels. Number 3. Zone Tech Wheel Lock Security Tire Clamp. This tire clamp wraps around a vehicle's wheel to prevent theft and towing. It works on cars, trucks, and vans and is painted bright red and yellow for visibility. It has a PVC coating, so it won't scratch the wheel, and it comes with 2 keys, so you always have a backup. It's adjustable based on the size of your tire. This is a very sturdy, heavy-duty anti-theft mechanism that is also great for motorcycles, trailers, ATVs, and golf carts. It's really easy to install, it fits as advertised, and it's very visible, which reminds you to remove it before you drive away. The key cylinder is also waterproof with anti-rust properties, so it won't seize. But like most anti-theft devices, there are tools to bypass this. However, a thief would have to make a lot of noise to remove it. Number 4. Teflafi Wheel Lock Car Boot Tire Locks. The Teflafi wheel lock is one of the most popular anti-theft devices available in the market today. But is it really the best option for you? In this review, we'll take an in-depth look at the Teflafi wheel lock, including its features, pros, and cons, to help you make an informed decision. The Teflafi wheel lock is a tire clamp lock designed to prevent vehicle theft. It's made of heavy-duty steel and features an adjustable claw that fits most wheels. It also comes with lug nut covers to prevent thieves from tampering with your wheels. The Teflafi wheel lock is suitable for use on cars, trucks, SUVs, campers, and boats. What we like about it: high-quality construction. Fits most wheel sizes. Easy to install. Extra layer of security. What we don't like about it: limited compatibility. Not suitable for all types of vehicles. Number 5. Becham Steering Wheel Lock with Alarm Anti-Theft. The Becham Steering Wheel Lock with Alarm Anti-Theft device is a security device designed to prevent car theft. It's made of high-quality materials and has a T-lock design that fits most steering wheels. The device is retractable, making it easy to store in your vehicle when not in use. It also has an alarm that goes off when the lock is tampered with, which helps to deter thieves. What we like about it: easy to install. What we don't like about it: nothing. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.